Okay, so I've been working on this car for probably like a couple hours now, and let me show you guys what it looks like. So this is what the front end looks like now that I have basically taken everything off of it. And as you can see, there's some good, there's a lot we need, and a lot of ugly. So I'm currently just like, what the fuck do I do? Not really panicking, actually, if I'm being completely honest with you. I'm just more so concerned on what I'm going to end up doing as far as pulling this engine out and things like that, so that way I can strip it for parts. There are some other things that I am concerned about, considering like the wiring issues in the car. Prime example number 1. Alright, so as you can see, whoever the fuck had this before me wired the fan into the wiring chassis, and it just looks like a nut show. This is loose. The fucking horn is here. I just have to end up figuring out all this wiring stuff, so I'm putting it to the side. So I have to figure out the wiring issue. So for now, I'm just going to leave it to the side and focus more so on getting the engine out.
Rage on that beat, going crazy.
So the rears, the bolts are actually a lot different. These are different sizes than the front. They're smaller than the front, so it makes it a little easier in the rears. 12 here. These back 2 bolts for the actual caliper to link together to the actual bracket are the same as they are in the front. Like I said, these are both different. I believe these were 20 something, and these were 19 or 17. I can't remember.
The next morning.
All right, so Jet basically told me that they're installing coilovers on this car, going from lowering springs, stock suspension to coilovers, which is pretty dope. But he did say that something was wrong. I walk in, and let me show you the first thing I see. So right now, I could already tell it has something to do with this one. You can tell it's this bolt actually right here. Man. Damn, dude. But he said he's gonna be back on Saturday to fix this. This should be funny to see how this all turns out.
Rage on that beat, going crazy.
engine out finally. I'm just unbolting the last bolt that connects the starter. Once this last wire is disconnected, we should be good to fully take it out. As you can't see, I'm spilling oil everywhere in the back. I really don't care right now, I just want to get it out. Luckily I'm on cardboard, so that's cool. Get these last things off. It's lifted.
Up. Over. Get this out of here. There. And just like that, Black Zeed no longer has a drivetrain. I gotta get it. It's leaking everywhere. I can't stand this. All right, let's get it down.